What if I told you? One small clove of garlic can fight bacteria, boost your heart, and even change your body odor within minutes. The moment you crush or chew garlic, something powerful happens. Inside garlic, there's a compound called alliin. When you break it, an enzyme turns it into a lichen, the real superstar. Allicin is what gives garlic its strong smell and its powerful health effects. It starts killing harmful bacteria immediately as it begins entering your bloodstream through your digestive system. Your mouth might burn slightly, that's the active compounds already at work. As garlic moves into your stomach and intestines, nutrients like sulfur compounds, vitamin C, and antioxidants are released. These compounds enter your bloodstream. Your blood now carries garlic's active ingredients throughout your body. At this point, garlic starts acting like a natural antibiotic inside you. Now things get interesting. Garlic begins to relax your blood vessels and improve blood circulation. This slightly lowers blood pressure. This is why garlic is linked to better heart health. It also starts reducing inflammation, one of the root causes of many diseases. Your immune system gets activated. Garlic helps your body fight viruses and bacteria. It increases white blood cell activity. This is why people often use garlic when they feel a cold coming. Now here's the part most people notice. Garlic compounds are released through your lungs and your skin. That's why your breath smells. And sometimes even your sweat. The same compounds helping your body are escaping from it too. Garlic continues working long after you've eaten it, detoxifying harmful substances and supporting liver function. It fights oxidative stress and cell damage. It's like a slow-release health booster inside your body. Too much garlic can cause stomach irritation, acid reflux, or strong body odor. Moderation matters. So next time you eat garlic, remember, it's not just flavor. It's a tiny natural medicine working through your entire body.